States.
Here at M2, comprising 4 wards at Agbado Okeodo in Alimosho local government area of Lagos State, are members of the All Progressive Congress who waited for several hours for the Congress to hold. Just when the officials were busy calling out the names of the 27 ward executives from their list, another group nearby simply disagrees with the names being called out as they claim that they were excluded, having purchased their forms.
Abayomi Adeleke, ward chairman. Is Abayomi Adeleke here? Honorable Olalekan Arekpo, vice chairman.
When we say we are using old ward, and say there are many people in the old ward, and we are talking of 27 from almost 3,000 of 10,000 people. So there is possible, it is possible for some people to be aggrieved. We cannot pick everybody.
We went to Airport Hotel yesterday. We have been briefed that our form that we bought have been given to Fatoki, one of the sectional leader in their own camp. And the form is not given to us. And we don't want bloodshed in this place.
The same scenario played out at another location, M1, comprising 3 wards, also in Agbado Okeodo in Alimosho local government area.
What now prompted us to read our own list? They refused not to harmonize the list. It was here they started writing the list this morning, and they did not even consult us.
At this ward in Ijokoro, Ifakoijai local government area, here the party members waited patiently, even as at 11:30 a.m. when AIT crew visited, with no one to attend to them.
We have been here since around 8 o'clock, and then we are expecting the official.
Fuad Oki is a chieftain in APC in Lagos State. He is from a group called APC Democrats. For him, there's the need to get the acts right, as APC's constitution is clear.
We have a 2018 business that has not been laid to rest. You cannot have consensus in an environment where you have not reconciled yourself with what you did 3 years ago that was illegal.
This APC Congress, no doubt, is a litmus test for members to put their differences behind and forge ahead. How they handle this critical issue, no doubt, may affect their chances at the polls.
States.